So here is this new viral app called Delta Game Emulator. It's in top charts right now, where you can just play these old school games. Here is all-in-one emulator for iOS. Delta builds upon the strengths of predecessor GBA for iOS, while expanding to include support for more game systems such as NEC, SNEC, and 64DS. So it supports Nintendo Entertainment System, Nintendo 64, Game Boy, supports controllers. You can save and load save sets for any game from the pause menu. There are different cheat codes which you can use. So yeah, pretty cool. So if you just go and install it, you can then just open it up. That's how it looks like. Then you can just import games by pressing the plus button in the top right. So that's how you import those. Delta needs ROMs in order to play games. ROMs are special files containing games data. So you can just use specific tool to get those. And then you can just add the specific game here. And then you just add it. And then you can just play it if it's supported. You can install it on iPhone or iPad. And yeah, that's the process. And then if you want it, then you just import those. Then you can just play, and it's pretty cool, all those Nintendo games. Then your settings, controllers, controller skins, controller opacity, like core settings. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the idea. So try it out. This app becomes possible because of this new, much stronger and faster processors on newer iPhones. So yep, it's pretty cool.